Hey everyone, and welcome back to our art channel. Today, we have something really fun and easy for you. We're going to learn how to draw and color this adorable house, perfect for all our beginner artists out there. Whether you're a kid or just starting your drawing journey, you'll be able to follow along. Before we start, grab your art supplies. You'll need a piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, a black marker or pen for outlining, and your favorite coloring tools like crayons, colored pencils, or markers. We'll be using green, orange, and yellow today, but feel free to use any colors you like. Thank you so much for drawing with us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with what you'd like to draw next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun art lessons. See you next time, happy drawing!